Hello dear students, how are you all? All are fine? Very nice. Okay, our today's topic is sound of C, K and CK. Letter C, letter K and the letter C and K both together. Okay? You know the phonetic sound of C? C says K. Okay, now K says K again. Okay, this is letter C, letter K. Now what C and K sound? C and K again K. All confused now? Okay. C says K says K and CK again K. We will take first the letter C. Okay. Letter C comes at the beginning of words. Okay, the letter C comes at the beginning of words. The rule of C, letter C, number 1, we use C if the next letter is vowel A, O, U. A, O, U. You know how many vowels are there? A, O, U. Vowel A, O, U. But you know the vowel sound? 5 vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. But this time only 3 vowels are there. A, O, U. We use C if the next letter is vowel A, O, U. Example, C, A, T, cat. This is letter C. If the next letter is vowel A, O, U. Now this time the vowel A. The next letter is vowel A. C, A, T, cat. Now C, O, R, N. C, O, R, N. The letter C and the next letter vowel sound O. Okay. Now C, U, P, cup. Cat, corn, cup. The letter C and the next letter vowel U. Cup. Okay. This is first rule. And the second rule, we use C letter if the next letter letter is a consonant. Now this time we are not talking about vowel sound. We are just talking about the consonant letters. Okay? We use C letter if the next letter is a consonant. The example: C L A P. The letter C and the next letter is consonant. Clap. C L O C K. The letter C and the next letter consonant. Clock. Okay. Now the rule number 3. We use the double letters. We use the double letters C and C after short vowel, and also it is a VCC. It is a VCCV. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Example: A, C, C, O, U, N, T. Okay. Now vowel: A, C, C, then after vowel. Okay. The word is account. Next example: A, C, C, U, R, A, T, E. A vowel, C, C, and this is vowel again. Okay. Account and accurate.